I'm Priyanka, welcome back to my channel, and clearly we have a whole setup here because it's the wedding season and we have a series of videos coming up for this wedding season. And I know it's already started, but it's difficult to tell in India because there's weddings in a lot of months. So I think there's a couple of them now and then after Jan end, so I think we have time. So I have some party wear kurtas from Myntra, and then I have some other things from the Black Friday sale of Nykaa and some other things and PR packages, everything. So let's get started. I'll first start off with party wear kurtas from Myntra because that's something that you all really enjoy. First off, we have this really pretty green kurta, and I posted a video just before this. I think it's a get ready with me video, and this is what I was wearing. So it's a straight cut kurta and it has like long sleeves, and the fabric is very pretty, so you can wear it for pujas or smaller Indian occasions like functions and stuff. It's a long kurta. It can be worn even on skirts or palazzo pants. I was wearing it with normal straight pants and I wore a dupatta with it, but I think it would look really nice even with lehenga. It has this really pretty detailing here which makes it look very festive. The thing that I did not notice was that it has slight puff sleeves, and because it's a straight cut kurta, so it sort of makes me look a little weird, but otherwise I really like the kurta, and green can look so festive for the wedding season. With that, I was actually wearing these bottoms for the most of the time. I actually wore the kurta twice already for different occasions. So this is a stretchable material for straight cut pants, and at the bottom it has this detailing. It's very pretty and the fabric is very soft and comfortable. I got this for about 700 and I got it in Abbott's. I forgot to show this in my recent Abbott's video. So at the end I went to Methodist complex in Abbott's. I'll leave the link and Google Maps link and everything in the description box, and the name of the store and all the details in case you would like to check it out. So this is the XL size or double XL size, but they have different sizes. And yeah, the fabric is super soft and very convenient, actually very nice for even everyday use, but since the fabric looks sort of nice and not cheap, so I thought I could wear it even for parties. Next up we have this kurta. It's again from Myntra, and this is from the brand Here and Now. This is in the size XL, and this almost looks like one of those patu kurtas. So it has that weaving. It looks very beautiful. It's gold and it has slits here which come down the waist, and it's again a long kurta, and this can be totally worn for like probably weddings or mehendi or some sort of occasions like that. And it's such a beautiful color. I was originally planning to wear it on like a pastel green lehenga, but any other color also would look good. This is the next kurta. If you're on my Instagram, if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen this already. If you're not, then please follow me there for all the quick updates. So this is the next kurta. It's so pretty. You must get this one. It's very nice for the festive season. It has like a beautiful flare. I think this can be worn for the weddings if paired with the right jewelry and right dupatta. It has long sleeves and it has these gold buttons here. All this is like print. And at the bottom it has this little bit of a detailing in lace. So that's about the kurta. And on Instagram when I posted a picture, a lot of you guys were asking about the dupatta. So this is the dupatta that I paired with this dress. Since it's gold, it sort of complements it, and it has jardozi work here. So it looks very festive and really beautiful for the weddings. It has work all over, and I got this in Nursing a while back. I've shown it in some other videos. Nursing in Gachibowli, they do have other branches, and they have really good collection for weddings. So if you're looking for dupattas and lehenga sets and even normal kurtas and fabrics, you can definitely check out Nursing. They even have beautiful saris. So they're online as well, so do check it out. I will actually show you guys all the collection at Nursing. I'll try to do that video also very soon, but I was pairing these two together and a lot of you guys seem to like it, so that's the details. Of course, I'll link everything in the description box. Now that was it for kurtas from Myntra. Now I have some jewelry and accessories from Myntra and some other Instagram stores. So the first thing that I got is a nose ring from this brand called Priyasi, and I do have some silver nose rings, but I wanted to get something which can be worn for like wedding season. So this is the nose ring. I'll try to put a picture here. I'm not sure if you're able to see this properly but it has like a triangle shaped thing and then stones. This is what it looks like. It looks very beautiful. I think it would look nice for like, you know, smaller occasions or some friends wedding rather than a bigger function. So do check out this brand also. I'll leave the link in the description box. They do seem to have like good designs. I wanted to try out one at least first before I order more. And then next we have something from Voila, and a lot of you guys asked me to try out this brand, and I ordered this from Myntra itself, and this is the neck piece. I was wearing it in one of my earlier videos. It's a choker, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. Not particularly for wedding season unless you're into like oxidized jewelry, but it looks very beautiful when worn. It's a choker like this, and I was really surprised at the sort of pieces that Voila carries. They have really good collection. Do check out this one too. So I got these two rings. They both look very, very pretty, and these are from an Instagram page called Blingtastic Jewelry. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box to check it out. They have some really pretty jewelry. I have purchased from them before also. So first thing I want to tell you guys is that some Instagram pages keep cheating people. I've been seeing a lot of comments like that. So when you're purchasing from somebody new, make sure that you buy a smaller thing first, and also try and check if they have COD, or even if they don't have COD, purchase something under 500 so that you don't lose your money. And this page has been good. I'm not talking about this page. I've mentioned the store called S_trends in one of my Instagram jewelry haul videos, and that page was good earlier. I did purchase from them genuinely. They never sent me PR. I purchased from them and they were good. But later on, the page owner has apparently sold the page to someone else, and these new page owners have been taking money and not sending products. So be careful about that. And I'm sure there's several such fraudulent cases, but be a little careful. Don't directly pay a page some 2,000 bucks and then repent. So yeah, that's about that. So anyway, these are from Blingtastic Jewelry, and I purchased my mint green color jhumkas and some other jewelry also from them. They're very beautiful. I don't remember the price. I got them a while back, and I don't remember if I already showed them in some video. And during Diwali, they actually sent me this gift. I posted it on Instagram. This is the beautiful neck piece that they've sent. I will post a picture on Instagram wearing this. It looks so stunning. And they have these earrings which come along with it. Last one of those accessory pieces. Again, I posted this also on Instagram during Diwali. These are also from an Instagram page. I'll leave their details here on the screen. And they've sent these cuffs sort of earrings. They're so pretty. And they sent some other jewelry also for a giveaway. So I have like a bunch of them. I have like 2 rings and then earrings and nose pins and stuff. So I will be doing a giveaway with all of these on my Instagram. So do stay tuned for that. I'll be posting very soon. So that was it for accessories. Now moving on to footwear. These are some of them which had come in and they're so pretty. I posted this also on Instagram, I think. They're from an Instagram page called Our Madan Store. I'll put the name here. They have some really beautiful jutis and these hand-painted kolhapuris. So I selected these because they have like really beautiful hand-painted ones. They have something in blue as well, but this really caught my eyes. And the quality is nice. The sole and everything is, you know, stiff and it's soft over here. It's not flimsy, so it's good. This part of it is, however, a little thin. Next, we have something from Ozil, and Ozil Bespoke is their Instagram page. They have their stores also in Sharat City Mall and even in Orbit Mall. I do have like a potli bag from them which I got earlier. It's in gold color if you guys remember, and this was actually my birthday gift. A friend gifted this to me, which was supposed to see in my birthday haul, and I got delayed in posting that, so I think I'll post this after that. So you'll see a birthday haul coming up, which will be birthday haul plus USA haul because I got a ton of stuff from US as well. Now this is the potli bag which my friend got me. Again, I was wearing this along with the pink kurta from Myntra in my Instagram post, and it's so beautiful. It has such beautiful work here and it's perfect for the wedding season. And look at these hangings. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful. These potli bags and different kinds, you can even do them for return gifts at different price ranges. So do check out the store if you are in Sharat City Mall or in Orbit Mall. They have an online page too. I'll leave their Instagram here. And this was actually a return gift at some function, but I wanted to show it to you guys because again, it's such a beautiful potli bag and can be worn for weddings. It's in mint color and it has this chicken work, and look at this hanging. It's so pretty. and pearls and everything. This is from a place called Happiness Trunk. Again, it's an Instagram page. They do return gifts. Here we have something from Wow Skin Science, and this also was in for Diwali. So we have some diyas, and there were some chocolates, and we have the Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo, the apple cider vinegar face wash. We have the onion black seed hair oil. I've been using this. It's actually pretty good and it doesn't smell like onions, so this is a pretty good thing. And there were a few other products as well. I think there was a shower gel which is really good. It's a green tea one. I'll just insert pictures here. So I got some things from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I don't want to do a separate video again, so I'll just show you guys. So this is a brand called Love, Beauty and Planet, which I thought was really cool because they are vegan, they are planet friendly, and let me just read out something. They have all natural ingredients and they're sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, and yeah, all the other details. Do check them out on Nykaa. So I got their shampoo initially, which I posted on Instagram, and it's pretty good. I really like it. I've used up like half of it already. I already have Body Shop's conditioner, so I didn't want to get the conditioner, and this smells amazing. It's coconut and mimosa flower, and they have some other variants. Oh, this is for volume, so I think that's why I got this variant, and it's damn good. So definitely a must try. These are the body wash and the body lotion. After trying that, I really like the smell and I felt the products are really good quality, so I picked up these two during the sale. I also got Nykaa's Wanderlust Silicon Sweet Pea. This is their shower gel. It smells really nice. I've sniffed their fragrance mist in my Nykaa store in Charat City Mall, and I really like this fragrance. It's very nice. It's very fruity and sweet. So I got the shower gel. I've almost run out of my shower gel, so I picked up these two shower gels. I got the Mama's Argan hair mask, the famous one, which is so hyped. I wanted to see if it's worth it, so I got this. I haven't started using it yet, so I'm yet to try it out, but I've heard great things about this. I got L'Oreal's Base Magic, and this is their primer, and I realized I don't have a good primer. I do have like good makeup setting sprays, but I don't have a primer. So I've heard good things about this, so I got this one. And I got Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 03 Champagne, and it's really beautiful. It is a little bit chunky glitter, but again it looks very, very pretty. And this is the Master Chrome Highlight by Maybelline. I have some other highlighters which are a little subtle, and I've heard amazing things about this, so I got this. And yeah, and I got Wet n Wild's eyeshadow as well. I'm not sure what shade this is. It's Shells and Whistles. Again, it's like a copperish shade. So it looks very beautiful. It doesn't have glitter. So these are perfect for the wedding season. I wanted to get some of these eyeshadows for the wedding season. Lastly, I got Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. This is in coffee brown, and I heard this one is almost like a brow pomade, and a lot of you guys keep asking me about brow products which are affordable, and I just know the Maybelline one, and I've been using Benefit one, so I wanted to try this out so that I can give you guys more options in the affordable range. Now this is a nail paint which I was sent in PR. It's breathable nail paint, so it's chemical free apparently, and this is from this brand called 786. I have posted a picture wearing this, and I really like the color. They are vegan, cruelty free, and they're free of 11 other chemicals, and they're halal. The color is very different and it looked very nice when worn, but it did not last really long. It started chipping quite easily, but application is really smooth. You can really apply it like just like that, because the wand or whatever you call it, the brush is really good. So the application is super smooth, and it's like quick drying. That way it's really good, but it did not last super long on me. Like it started chipping within a week, so I was not fond of that, especially because it is quite expensive. I did get it on PR, but it generally is a little bit expensive. That is everything that I got from Nykaa. And Cuffs and Lashes is a page where Nidhi's page. So Nidhi has a YouTube channel, so in case you're not aware, do check out her channel. She does carry a lot of affordable products and some other products too. So Cuffs and Lashes is her page. Even they had a Black Friday sale, so I got these. Footwear is a brand which I've been meaning to try from such a long time. I was not able to decide between these two palettes, so I got both of them. So this is the Sweet as Honey palette, and look at the beautiful shades. I heard they're super pigmented, so that's the reason I got it. Let's try out this blue. It's beautiful. Let's just swatch it here. Oh, Since the other one actually has neutral shade, thought this one has a little bit of colors here and there and shimmers especially, so I thought it'll be nice for like party season. So we have New Year and Christmas coming up and wedding season. This is their other eyeshadow palette, and this is Prague. They have 4 eyeshadows. There's a Turkey, Paris and some other eyeshadow. So I got Prague. So I was a tad bit confused whether I should get Prague or Paris or Turkey, but I finally ended up getting this one, and this is a very neutral eyeshadow. It has some golds, it has some shimmery shades, and it has these neutrals for base and the crease and all that. So I'm quite excited about this. You can create so many looks with these. Again, I believe these are also very pigmented. Let's try the Royal Apple, which is sort of an orange. That's what it looks like. Let me just show you guys. This is really pigmented. That's beautiful. So again, I'm very excited about these. So that was everything that I wanted to show you guys in this haul. That was like a huge haul, I think. I hope it did not go on too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like to see mix of things like this in hauls instead of just Myntra hauls, I think they can be useful. And I've also been doing some makeup looks on my Instagram and here on YouTube as well. So do check them out. I do simple looks because I like simple makeup. But I think it'll be useful. A lot of you guys keep asking me about beginner friendly makeup. So I guess that can be useful. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch for the wedding season, and also go and find me on Instagram because I keep posting a lot of pictures there. I'm trying to do different content for YouTube and Instagram, so I will have a lot of IGTV videos as well, so you do not want to miss them. So do check that out, and before you go, do subscribe to my channel because you have a lot more Myntra hauls and a lot of other wedding related videos coming up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.